With your box order, you might add a handheld scanner with the service. You can see here I'm holding the scanner in my hands, and it's got a beautiful, very soft case. It's got a little strap around there so that you can comfortably fit that in your hand so that you don't drop it. You can see it's not going to fall off here, holding it upside down. Inside the case is a Linea Pro 5 scanner. And just to walk you through, you can access the top right here. So this is to turn the iPod, which is inside the scanner. So you kind of have three layers here. You've got the iPod, then you've got the Linea Pro 5 scanner, and then you've got a protective case around the scanner. At the very top here, you've got the ability to turn the iPod on and off. You also have on the side here some volume up and down buttons right there. Press those. Okay. And then you also have the ability to activate the scanner over here on the right-hand side. So that's a little push button there. And of course, you can access the home button right there as well. On the bottom, you're going to see some power lights. If you have full lights, there are 4 LED lights there. And if you have 4, then the device is fully charged. So look for 2 lights or maybe 1 light. At that point, you do want to charge the scanner. And then right here, when you do order, this is going to be a little mini USB cable. It's going to look like that on the tip, and you can just plug it right in there very easily. And then the opposite side is just going to plug into a USB port to charge it. Also, as another feature, when you are checking people in and checking people out, you're going to, again, use the scanner on the side. If you do need to process payments for your particular event, what's a really nice feature is on the side here, you can see a small little opening for a credit card. So you can take the credit card and just put it in here. I'll do that again, maybe from this side so you can see it from the back. Put it in there and just swipe the credit card. So it has a really nice feel. All your functionality is right there. You know, you could just put it there and then swipe through. And then you've got a hole on the back side to expose the camera of the iPod. So really nice setup. These are great for staff agents that might be at the front of your event. Again, checking people in, scanning tickets, checking them out. Also could be used for badge scanning as well. And that's the review of the handheld scanners. Thank you.